What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable 100% precision aim assist and tracking aim assist in Fortnite, which will significantly improve your aim if you're using a controller. It doesn't matter if you're on PC, PS5, PS4, or any of the Xbox consoles. As long as you're using a controller, this video is for you. Now, before I begin and show you how to tweak these settings, I want to quickly explain what precision aim assist and tracking aim assist are. It's important to understand how they work and whether or not you want these values set all the way up to 100%. Now, what exactly is precision and tracking aim assist? In your Fortnite settings, precision aim assist helps in long-range fights by locking onto opponents, whether you're using an AR or sniping. This usually kicks in when you're stationary or making minimal movements. On the other hand, tracking aim assist is the opposite. It's primarily used in close-range combat, especially when both you and your opponent are moving. This makes it ideal for weapons like SMGs or shotguns. So how do you enable and adjust auto-aim settings? To do this, head over to your Fortnite settings, then click on the controller icon up top, navigate to advanced sensitivity settings, and find the option for precision aim assist and tracking aim assist. If you're absolutely new to Fortnite, you can set both of these values to 100% and you should be good for the most part. However, if you play competitively and want to improve your aim, I recommend for the precision aim assist to be anywhere from 60 to 80% and tracking aim assist to be 70 to 90%. The reason for this is to retain more control over your aim, as setting these values to the maximum can sometimes cause the game to overcorrect, which might interfere with minor aim adjustments. So I hope you find this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.